Hi soulmates, let's learn how to fix a correct zipper. So on the wrong side, you would put a hard stay or stiff, that's how we call it, a hard stay or stiff on the zip allowance. This is my zip allowance, so I added a hard stay of almost 3 inches. The most important part is it extends this line, the middle line where your zip, the teeth of your zip will sit. It extends there, so it could be 1 inch, but you make sure the center comes here. And then I doubled it to give me a strong, it wouldn't crumple. The purpose of the stiff is to make sure it doesn't crumple, and then also it doesn't give you that snake-like zip at your back. So having this, I stitched the zip line, so I would unpick it. So after unpicking the zip line, you will take out the threads. There will be some excess threads in it. You just take it out. You just take this out, and then you bring your zipper. So this is what I'm having. You have this way. You can just pin this inside like this, and then you keep it this way. Okay, you can let me pin this down, and then I'll be using my invisible foot. I'll be using the invisible foot, so I'll be using this one, the one that has the teeth here, the one that has the opening here. I would use that one. So with this pin down, I would like to take it off, but you can still maintain your pin. So this way, you reinforce it, and then you keep your zip. Yeah, you don't stretch the zip, neither do you stretch your fabric. Okay, so you give it this way, a close stitch. So when you are sewing and then your thread cuts along the line, you fix it. When you fix it, and then you want to, so you have to sew. And you want to sew. This is what you do. You don't start from where it ended and then reinforce. You move back a bit, and then you start your stitch again. You start stitching again. So having your zip opening this way, you place the center on the teeth of the zip. You reinforce, then you pivot the machine, turn your fabric this way. You cross it, so you reinforce. You reinforce this way. Then you pivot again. You bring this to a close like this. make sure the waistline, the joining on the waistline, they meet. So this is it. Mine is meeting. I want to take out this excess here. Open this up a bit, making sure they are equal. The zip and then the fabric are equal while stitching. So you can see while they are flat, I lay it flat this way. It is equal. Don't mount too much pressure on the work. And reinforce again. Now you can take out, you just cut out your chairs, zip up this way, and then you take out the fuse you had placed on the center back. So let's do that together. With this, you just hem this to that. You just hem the excess zip. I don't know the name here. You just hem it. You know, it's not giving a nice finishing here, so you just hem it inward. Then it will lie flat. And then you have your zip, so nice and beautiful. You have your zip this way. So this is what your zip looks like. So this is what your zip looks like, okay? You have it this way. So you can open and then close. Thanks for watching.